All right, let's go. Up, up, down, down, left, right, D. Up, up, down, down, left, right, E. It failed to load. Okay, let's look at this. We're not going to fix it here, but we're going to go over the code we wrote. So the D key is for saving. The E key is for loading, so I got that correct. In the local load function, we finished it. Once we've loaded into this pixel array, and it is exactly 512 by 512 pixels, we want to copy this pixel array into pix2048. So readme, read, we're going to read from here, we're going to write to here. The pixel origin is going to be the hotel cell XY multiplied by 512 because each level pack is 512 by 512 pixels. Right here we have the X, Y, and index for the write location and the read location. Also, we need to multiply it by 4 to get the component index of the write and read respectively here. Here's the local pixel X coordinate. We're going to loop through local pixel X, local pixel Y, 0 to 511 inclusive, Y loop on the outside so that we can go in scan line order. LPXY is just a carryover to get the read X and Y because it's local to a 512 by 512, as we can see here. And then the write X and Y is in pix2048, so we need to take the origin, the upper left origin of the block of memory, plus this relative offset. We need to convert the XY to an index, so here's the respective formulas for that. Multiply by 4 to get the component index, and then we're going to copy the readme over to the write me by using the base address plus the relative offsets to the different color channels, right? So base address of the write memory, red, green, blue, alpha, and then we're done. So here's what we did previously. Here's our footnotes, and here's what we did in this video. We got to get out of here. If you want a longer explanation, go to this playlist. You have been here and we don't have time. Source code is here. Like, subscribe, send money.